Kids, in today's session, we are going to learn about abacus. We are going to know what exactly is this abacus. You all must have heard a lot about this magical tool, right? And you must be curious, what is this exactly? Okay, so this is a manual tool that was anciently discovered, and this was referred as first human calculator. How come? Because this was like a magical tool. It used to give answers faster than a calculator. Can you imagine? So, this is a manual tool that helps us to do arithmetic operations. What operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and many more. So, it has beads wired in the rods. Okay, and you now must be curious, what are these white dots for that are on this abacus? What are these beads for? So I'm going to let you know everything in the next video. I'm going to give you a brief explanation about this tool. So stay connected. Okay, bye bye.